Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 Porsche Macan S. This one's black. Underneath it's a 3-liter twin-turbo V6 with 348 horsepower and 354 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch wheels. Black leather interior, the black trim, panorama sunroof. Porsche Macan S badging, power liftgate, trailer hitch, clean set all season floor mats, cargo cover, fold down rear seats, keyless entry, memory seats, Bose sound system, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, keyless go, navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors, hard keys for the media display, dual climate controls, heated seats, cooled seats, different driving functions, cup holders. This Porsche has 2,922 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2021 Porsche Macan S, visit us at feldmannimports.com.